Don't panic when war comes. A survival guide for ordinary people. The tense fluctuations in the international situation make us cherish the current peace even more. Being born in a strong and stable country is our greatest fortune. But staying vigilant in times of peace is the only way to handle all uncertainties. We firmly believe that our motherland can safeguard peace, but as ordinary citizens, understanding survival rules in extreme situations is a responsibility to our families and a support for national stability. This authoritative wartime survival and safety guide should be saved and shared with everyone around you. At the beginning of a war, social order may be chaotic, utilities and networks may be interrupted, and last-minute panic buying is often too late. By preparing supplies in advance, you can face a crisis with more composure. First, prepare a portable core supply kit. Keep it at your doorstep or in your car, so you can grab it and go. The core supply kit should include 4 types of items: identification and cache, waterproof copies and small cache for network outages. Survival supplies: 1.5 to 2 liters of bottled water per person per day for 3 days, along with high-calorie, long-lasting food. Protective and safety tools: N95 masks, escape masks, etc. And a medical kit, iodine solution, band-aids, and family's regular medications. Besides the portable kit, families should also prepare long-term supplies for at least 15 days according to the number of members, such as barreled water, rice, grains, cooking oil, various canned foods, candles, matches, and hand crank radios. These are key protections when the network and power are down. Modern wars often start with air raids, and recognizing air raid alerts is the first step to survival. Different alarm sounds correspond to different actions, and these must be remembered. The first type is a pre-warning sound for 36 seconds, silence for 24 seconds, repeated 3 times. This indicates a possible imminent air raid. At this time, immediately stop outdoor activities, return home to close doors and windows, cut off electricity and gas, take your survival kit, and prepare to go to an air raid shelter or emergency refuge. The second type is an air raid alarm. Sound for 6 seconds, silence for 6 seconds, repeated 15 times. This means the air raid is ongoing. Immediately stop all activities. Quickly hide in an air raid shelter or a sturdy indoor corner. Stay away from windows and glass facades and protect your head. The third type is the all clear alarm. Continuous sound for 3 minutes. After the air raid ends, do not rush outside. Observe your surroundings first. Ensure there are no unexploded ordnances, broken power lines, or toxic gases, and then evacuate slowly. War is not only a battle of firepower but also a battle of information. Not believing or spreading rumors is the greatest support we ordinary people can give to the country. First, focus on reliable sources. Only trust official authoritative channels. Turn off self-media notifications and avoid unverified field reports. Next, prepare a hand crank radio and pre-store national broadcast frequencies. If the network is down, this will be your last channel to receive national instructions. Finally, regulate your online behavior. Do not record military activities, do not disclose your location, and do not give enemies any opportunity. Protect the country's information security. For special groups, coastal and border residents should closely follow evacuation orders issued by local governments. If evacuation is required, comply unconditionally. Do not cling to property. Life always comes first. At the same time, psychological adjustment is important. War may bring fear and anxiety. Do not suppress your emotions. Talk with your family and maintain hope. Remember, staying alive is the greatest victory. May the world be peaceful, with no war, only love. Being born in a peaceful era is our greatest fortune. This guide is not to welcome war, but to ensure that we have the ability to protect ourselves and our families when unexpected events occur.